hydrogen,
lithium, francium,
sodium,
cesium,
and these are the
alkali metals.
Cesium and rubidium were both discovered by Gustav Kirchhoff and Robert Bunsen of Germany. Cesium was discovered in 1860, and rubidium was founded a year later in 1861. Cesium comes from the Latin word cesius, meaning sky blue, because of the blue spectral lines observed during discovery. Francium, the last element discovered in nature, was founded by Marguerite Paris of France in 1939. Lithium was discovered in 1817 by Johann August Arfvedson. Its name comes from the Greek word meaning stone. Sir Humphrey Davy of Britain discovered two elements, potassium and sodium. Sodium was discovered in 1807. Potassium was discovered in 1807 as well. Mr. Wang would not have a period 5 amazing honors chemistry class if it weren't for the discovery of these elements.
Alkali metals do not occur freely in nature. However, they are still found in nature. These elements are never found isolated because they are so unstable and very reactive. These elements are always combined in nature with other elements. Alkali metals are found in large amounts of Earth's crust. Potassium is the 7th most plentiful element found in Earth's crust and is also found in plants. Similarly, an abundance of sodium can be found in the Earth's crust, in seawater, and plant sources as well. A fair amount of sodium can also be found in the sun and stars. Rubidium is the 16th most plentiful element found in the Earth's crust. It can also be found in potassium minerals. These potassium minerals can be found at Searles Lake in California and at the brines in Michigan. Along with cesium, rubidium can be found in pollucite deposits at Bernick Lake. Francium is found in nature in uranium minerals and is the alkali metal that is least abundant in Earth's crust. In fact, less than an ounce of francium can be found at any given time in the Earth's crust. Lithium occurs in pegmatic materials and can be found in oceans, brines, and clays. Since alkali metals are always found in combinations with other elements and compounds, they must be mined, separated, isolated, or purified using a series of different methods. These methods include heating, electric currents, or fractional distillation.
The elements of the first group, or group 1A, in the periodic table are all classified as alkali metals. Hydrogen, however, is not included as an alkali metal. Also, elements in group 1, again not including hydrogen, are known as main group elements. Also, characteristically, they are highly reactive. The reason for this is because they only have one valence electron, and they try to lose this electron so they can achieve a stable octet. The most reactive elements are cesium and francium, and lithium is the least reactive. Another characteristic of alkali metals is that if exposed to H2O, they may explode. Physically, the alkali metals are soft enough to cut with a knife, and they are malleable and ductile. For example, sodium has a similar feel and texture to cold butter. Also, alkali metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Alkali metals, along with other groups of the periodic table, are grouped together based on their characteristics as well as their similar physical and chemical properties.
Look at the world around you. Every single thing and creature is made of elements. Even the products that we use are the result of elements. On the periodic table, the elements of group 1 are vital to the creation of these goods that we use every day. They are unbelievably important to the success of industry and contain much biological importance. Let's go take a look. Hydrogen! Hydrogen is the first element of group 1 since its reaction with oxygen creates water, and water is in most products. Hydrogen is pretty common. Some of these products include glass, vitamins, margarine and peanut butter, and cosmetics like shampoo, conditioner, lotion, body wash, and soap. And cleaners. Lithium! Dyes, batteries, ceramics, and glass. Lithium can also be chemically changed into the helium used to fill balloons. It is also used in the medical field for treating manic depression. Sodium. Sodium, the third element, can be found in salt, baking soda, soap, petroleum jelly, paper, and glass. Potassium. Potassium, which is less common than the other elements, can be found as an oxidizing agent, iodized salt, in photography, and in explosives. Around the house, potassium is found as disinfecting products, matches, and in some medicines. Rubidium! Rubidium is the fifth element of group 1. It is used in spacecrafts to make special glasses. It's used in vacuum tubes and thin film batteries in cameras. Cesium. It is used in electron tubes, in photoelectric cells, in ion propulsion systems, and in atomic clocks. Francium. Since francium has a short half-life, it's only used for scientific research. Clearly, elements can be found all over the place, whether it's in the home or in scientific research. Obviously, elements of group 1 in the periodic table make the world what it is today. The end. Goodbye! So what do I do? What do I do with these?